Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Battle.net launcher if it is not opening on your Windows computer. First, we will clear the Battle.net cache folder. Close the Battle.net launcher completely. Make sure it is not running in the background by checking the system tray near the clock. Now open File Explorer. Click on this PC, then open your C drive. Open the Program Data folder. If you do not see it, click View and enable Hidden Items. Inside Program Data, look for a folder named Battle.net. Right-click on this folder and delete it. This will not remove your games. Restart your computer after deleting the folder and try to open Battle.net again. If the launcher still does not open, the next step is to disable security software for a short time. Antivirus or firewall programs can sometimes block Battle.net by mistake. Open your antivirus or firewall settings and temporarily turn off real-time protection. After that, try launching Battle.net. If the problem is still not fixed, reinstalling Battle.net is the best solution. Right-click the Start button and go to Installed Apps. Find Battle.net in the list. You can try the search bar at the top. Click on it and uninstall it. Once uninstalled, press Windows key and R to open the run box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. Delete the Battle.net folder if it exists. Restart your computer. Now, open your browser and download the latest Battle.net installer from the official Blizzard website. Install it and launch the program. The launcher should now open normally. Thanks for watching.